To add Cash App to Xbox, you need to link it as a payment method to your Microsoft account. First, ensure you have the latest Xbox update and the Cash App installed on your mobile device. Open the Cash App and go to the Cash Card tab. Then click on Get Cash Card and follow the prompts to activate it. Once activated, go to the Xbox website and sign in to your Microsoft account. Navigate to the payment and billing page. Then click on Add a payment method and select credit or debit card. Enter your cash card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure the name and address associated with your cash card match the information on your Microsoft account. If they do not match, you may need to update your Microsoft account information before proceeding. After entering your cash card details, click Next and then Confirm to add the payment method to your Microsoft account. You can now use your Cash App account to make purchases on Xbox. To do this, go to the Xbox store and select the item you want to purchase. When prompted to choose a payment method, select the cash card you just added. Review the purchase details and click Confirm to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that you must be at least 18 years old to add a payment method to your Microsoft account and make purchases on Xbox. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account to cover the cost of your purchases. By following these steps, you can easily add Cash App to Xbox and start making purchases using your cash card.